How to fix Twitch stream not loading on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitch stream not loading on any Android phone. First open the settings and now scroll down until you find storage and then click clean up, and here you will find the junk files or cache and then clean it, and after that just click settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again, and here click Twitch and click force stop and click storage and then clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.